शिवार्षभानुविधिवि द्वैताय कृपावधै कृष्णसम्बन्धविज्ञानदायिने माधुर्जलप्रेमाढ्य श्रीरूपानुगभक्तिद श्रीगौरकरुणाशक्ति विग्रहाय नमोऽस्तुते नमस्ते गौरवाणी श्रीमूर्तये दीनतारिणे नमो गौरकिशोराय साक्षाद् वैराग्यमूर्तये विप्रलम्भरसाम्बुदे पादाम्बुजये नमो भक्तिविनोदाय सच्चिदानन्दनामिने गौरशक्तिस्वरूपाय रूपानुसाराय गौराविर्भावभूमेस्तं निर्दिष्टसजनप्रिय वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्रीजगन्नाथ ते नमः वाञ्छाकल्पतरुर्भश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गे राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि जयतां सुरतुर्बन्धुर्मम मन्दमतिर्गति मत्सर्वस्य पदाम्बुज श्रीराधा दिव्यदेवेन्द्रारणकल्पद्रुमाद श्रीमद्रत्नाकर सिंहासनस्तु श्री श्रीराधा श्रीलगोविन्ददेवौ पृष्ठालिभिसेव्यमानं स्मरामि श्रीमान् रासरसारम्भे वंशीवटतटस्थितः कर्षणवेणुशनैर्गोपी गोपीनाथस्य श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्रीगौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण वैते चतुर्मुख कृष्ण ब्रह्मा वैते नारदेरमोति नारद वैते व्यास मद कहन व्यास दास पूर्ण प्रक पद्मनाभ हरि माधव यंसे अक्षोभ परम से शिष्टावली अंगीकार करे अक्षवेर शिष्य जय कीर्तनामे परिचय तार दशे ज्ञान सिंधु करे आहा होइते दया राजेन्द्र किंकर जय धर्म नामे परिचय परंपरा जन धर्म जय धर्म दासे श्री गुरु Sarapuri Kedana Koilena Sri Chaitanya Jagadguru Gura Mahaprabhu Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya Radha Krishna Mayana Rupanuga Jane Radhikana Vishwambara Priyankara Sisa Rupa Damodara Sri Goswami Rupa Sanatana Rupa Priya Mahajana Priya Kavi Krishna Dasa Dasa Priya Varam Narottam Sila Param Vishwadutta Hasha Vishwana Kavanga Sapradala Vido Jagananda Priya Sivati Vidoda Mahabhagavata Vara Srivara Kishora Hari Bhajanete Jaya Moda Shiva Shavana Vivaya Sada Shiva Shiva Paradayita Lasana Sapupada Antaranga Shisa Rupa Shava Bhakta Vidya Gauriya Vedanta Vita Maya Bhagavata Gauravani Prachara Charva Gauravani Jadir Pranodana Ei Sabhavali Jana Gaurangera Nijajana Kadirayu Chiste Morata Hari Parampara Guru Parampara Parampara Guru Parampara Jaya Parampara Guru Parampara Parampara Guru Parampara Vrindavana Vasi Vaishnavi Hame Bandhana Kori Sabar Chalana Nilachala Vasi Jata Mahaprabhu Dana Bhumite Nodiya Bandhu Sabar Chalana Nilachala Vasi Mahaprabhu Dana Sabar Chalana Mahaprabhu Bhakta Guru Desi Priti Savara Chanana Bandhu Koriya Pranati Jedese Jedese Gaurange Rajana Udava Utori Bandhu Samaro Shayana Koyachena Hoilena Prabhu Jotodasa Swabaro Shayana Bandhu Gante Koridasa Sarvati Hari Jamena Etera Purane Gunandai Jemasu Mahaprabhu Dana Sabapati Tapavana Sai Yoge Puri Papi Lori Musarana Yandana Tori Muri Nato Sakti Dori Tamamuri Doshe Dori Tamapapuri Tatapi Rupera Bhagya Manera Ulasa Dosha Shami Kulatami Korani Jagasa Sarva Vancha Sri Guru Lama Bandha Chute Jagate Durlabha Hoya Prema Gana Lute Mani Raga Sana Puro Achila Dehoyam Devaki Nandana Vasari Lobeto Vaishnava Thakur Jaya Vaishnava Thakur Vaishnava Thakur Jaya Vaishnava Thakur Jaya Vaishnava Thakur Jaya Vaishnava Thakur Vaishnava Thakur Jaya Vaishnava Thakur Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaurava Pramita Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Hridaya Kori Safasada Sriyadama Sahara Bhagavani Atanta Durama Hare Ana Sitaye Sharanagati Apate Rayana Anyayamani Vedana Bhakti Devarana Avastara Shive Krishna Vishasa Parana Guru bring my Chaitanya Charitamrita, por favor. Om Ajnana Timirandrasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshurmitam Hirina Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhika Vaitadale Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadabhaktaya Namo. Vande Gurupada Dandam Bhakta Vrinda Samanitam Shri Chaitanyam Prabhum Vande Nityananda Saudidam Nanda Nandanang Vande Radhika Charanodayam Gopinam Samajuktanam Vrindavanam Manoharam. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Shri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama
Vai traduzir ao mesmo tempo? Qual a situação? Same time or?
Same time you can. Those who can understand English can go back. Those who understand
Aqueles que não conseguem entender inglês podem ir para mais profundo e ficar perto do Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu.
I will give you only short class, not longer. Only 10 minutes, please. So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, Lotus feet of Gurupad, Padmanitya Lila, Pravishtam, Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satyasya Sriman Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila, Pravishtam, Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya Lila, Pravishtam, Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satyaman Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gaurabanda Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Rakha, Sridhar Goswami, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented of all my respectful guests. So, continue. I also discuss about Chaitanya Charitamritam, Madhya Lila, 13th chapter, Pariched, Ratha Yatra Prasanga. Actually, this is Krishna. He came from Kurukshetra, Dwarkapuri to Kurukshetra, and then Kurukshetra to Krishna. He is going to Vrindavan. So now coming in this way, and that time was very super excellent, auspicious time. That is called, what is the time? Ari Surya Grahan, solar eclipse. And in Samanta Panchak, and all Rishi Munis, they also came in Kurukshetra and they met with Krishna. Even Pandavas, they came from Hastinapur. Because Pandavas Rajdhani is their capital, that is called Hastinapur. Yudhishthira, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev, Kunti, all they met with Krishna. Even what is called Brajavasis, they also came from Vrindavan and they met with Krishna in there. Because Krishna has come, so everybody is so much regardless met with Krishna. Yesterday I told, the first Rishi Munis, they also met with Krishna. And Rishi Munis, Sadhu Sannyasis, they met with Krishna. And they asked many questions. Sadhu Sangha, or Krishna is son Bhagavan. So for this regard, Sadhu Sannyasi, they also met with Krishna. They asked many questions. Then they have to develop their sadhana and bhajan this way. Many Katha Krishna also gave so nice instruction to the sadhu and Munis, Rishis, they also. Then Pandavas, they also met Yudhishthira, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev and Kunti. Especially Kunti, she expressed her heart and remind to Krishna how Krishna always protect to them. And Kunti, she was crying and crying, Draupadi, everybody else. Very nice, beautiful this time also. Then Subal, Siddham, Sakhas, they also met with Krishna. And all they remind to Krishna when they were staying in Braj. Then who met? And Nanda Maharaj, he met with Krishna also. Nanda Maharaj also crying this. Then Mother Jashoda, she met. One by one they met. And Mother Jashoda could not speak any one word. Just crying and shedding tears. And that time Krishna also and saying Maya, 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 Mother, Mother, then embraced to Mother Jashoda. And that time Devaki, she become very, what is called? And afraid. Because Krishna, he will be go to Braj Vrindavan. Understand this way. So for this regard, Devaki, she start to speak. The Krishna actual, he is my son. Yesterday I told. Devaki, she is saying, hey Jasodeva, Krishna is not your son. Krishna is my son. Just I gave you to, what is called, protect to him. Because that time Kamsa to disturb and try to kill. For this regard, and I gave you. Vasudeva Maharaj sent to you and you protect this way. And you actually gave birth and one daughter, and that is called Yogamaya. But that she also died by Kamsa. And Kamsa killed that the girl. They are saying this way. So now Krishna is my son. This is the way. And then she also explained and give an example. Could you remember? As the cuckoo birds and female cuckoo birds, she lays the eggs in the nest of the crow. Understand? Yesterday I told this katha also. But finally, a crow is thinking, and this is my babies. But when a small baby come out, and that time cuckoo bird coming and making sound, then all the baby birds going to cuckoo birds. This katha I told you. So just I remind to you. You remember or not, no problem. Or this is that. So, so Krishna, actually my son, this. He tried to explain this. Then Rohini Devi, when heard these things, then Rohini Devi, and actually Rohini Devi, she knows what is the absolute truth, perfect truth. Who Krishna, whose son? Devaki's son or Jasoda's son? So, for this regard, Devaki is thinking, if Mother Jasoda heard these things, that Krishna he is not the son of Jasoda, then Jasoda Devi she will leave body. Huh? Understand? So for this regard, Rohini Devi, she caught the hand of Devaki and told, please come, why you are sitting here? And look, many, your guest has come. And only Vasudeva Maharaj, he can't to manage. You have to come. And wife and husband, both you have to welcome to the your guest. This is your duty. Huh? Then Rohini Devi by force took Devaki and in this way very nice beautiful katha is there also. Huh? That katha I also explain what kinds of love and affection this. Then after then the gopis they met with Krishna. And that scene is very, very pathetic. And that time Srimati Radhika, finally Srimati Radhika, she met with Krishna. And so for this regard, here Rupa Goswami Pad and quoted this verse, Priya so and Krishna Kurukshetre Milita. That katha is coming in this. And Srimati Radhika, she told, now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. This is true. I am same Radha or same my beloved Krishna. This is true. But heart is not overjoyed. And I want to return back to Vrindavan with Krishna. Because here Krishna's form is different also. Mood also different. In Kurukshetra Krishna, he has no peacock feather on his turban. He has no also flute. And look this. And Krishna here is not also three-band fall. Three-band fall. There is a Tribhanga Lalit. And Krishna here is also very serious. Because Krishna is thinking, I am the king of Dwarkadhish. These are things. Rajvesh. What is called? Rajavesha. Rajvesh. And king's dress, this is there. And on the head of Krishna, that is called the crown, golden crown. And Sarana Mukut in the Are Vrindavan, Krishna, very nice, beautiful. That is called peacock feathers. That is called Mor Mukut. What is called? Mor Mukut. And Krishna's, there, Krishna, that is called Vajanti Mala. Baraha Pidam, Natavarvapu, Karna Karnikaram, Vipratavasu, Konakavisam, Vajanti Malam, Randhanu Bino, Radhasuda, Purana Gopavindai, Bindaranang, Sapadaраmanang, Bhavi Sadagiti Kirti. This is the form of, origin form of Krishna, Vrindavan Krishna. That Vrindavan Krishna is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. Always remember, Krishna origin form in Vrindavan, that is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. Who is Dhir Lalit Nayak? He has 4 qualifications. He is very expert to speaking sweet, eloquent words. Pariyaspotu, and is very, and with the eloquent words, laughing, joking this. And Pariyaspotu. Prayasi Vasibhuta, and he is always controlled by his consort. Prayasi Vasibhuta. Or and Navajauvanancha, and always and ever fresh youthful form. There is Navajauvanancha. Very nice, beautiful this. Or another Nischintita. Nischintita, his mind is always calm and quiet. No anxiety and no anxiousness. Because in Vrindavan, Krishna has no responsibilities. Understand? This is the main thing. When your mind will be fresh mind. If you have no responsibilities, and eating, sleeping, dancing, no problem. And if you have some responsibilities, then mind will disturb or not. So in Vrindavan, Krishna he is called Brajarajottanaya. He is the son of Nanda Maharaj. This is the thing. Juvaraj, he is only eating, sleeping, and dancing, playing. This is nice life. And he is prince. And this, no need. In Vrindavan, who is the king of Vrindavan? Nanda Maharaj. He is called Nanda Maharaj. No one is saying the Krishna Maharaj. What is he saying? Nanda Maharaj ki jai. And any problem coming, everybody also coming to Nanda Maharaj. This is problem, this is problem. And how to solve these many things. That is called. Or Krishna? No need. Nice life. Or, so saying, Krishna saying, and Srimati Radhika, she is saying in this way. And say, Krishna, please come in Vrindavan. Vrindavan is sweet place. There is Jamuna river is there also. Jamuna river is blowing, very nice. Flowing. Kal. Very nice, beautiful Kunja is there. Giriraj Govardhan. Especially Giriraj Govardhan. And on the cave of Giriraj Govardhan, Krishna performs sweet Leela is there also. And that's a Sakha Vatsalya Madhurya Leela. Krishna manifests on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. And Antay Udri Abala Haridaso Varjo Jat Rama Krishna Charana Sparsha Pramoda Manang Tanati Sahagopa Goni Paniyo Sujavasa Kandra Kanda Mulai. Srimati Radhika, she herself glorifies about Giriraj Govardhan. So Giriraj Govardhan is called Haridasa Varja, the best servitor of Krishna. Brajaraj Tilak, Brajatilak, that is called Giriraj Govardhan. And on the two eyes of Giriraj Govardhan is called Radha Kunda and Sam Kunda is there. And very nice, beautiful place is there also. Vrindavan Dham. Vrinda Vipinam Suramma Opi Tatsrimana Sri Govardhanam. How is Vrindavan splendid with Giriraj Govardhan is there also. Krishna performed all sweet leelas in Vrindavan. How is beautiful Vrindavan, this thing. So for this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad quoted this verse in Upadesamritam. And Vaikuntha Janito Vara Madhupuri Tatrapi Rasotsava Vindarana Mudrapani Rapi Govardhanat. Radha Kundo Mihapani Premamrita Plavanath Kurja Dasya Virajato Giritate Sevang Vivekina. And who is the intelligent person, sober person? He wants to stay in Radha Kunda. Vaikuntha Janito Vara Madhupuri. Madhupuri means Mathurapuri. Mathurapuri is higher than Vaikuntha Dham. Understand? Vaikuntha Janito Vara Madhupuri. Mathura. Tatrapi Rasotsavad Vindaran. Vrindavan is higher than Mathura. A nice, beautiful place in Vrindavan. How is beautiful Vrindavan is there also. The Krishna specially performed Saradya Ras Leela and autumn season Ras Leela in Vrindavan. All kinds of gopis they assembled. That Katha also Sukdev Goswami Pad explained in Srimad Bhagavatam. And that is called Saradya Ras Leela. Sapaksha, Vipaksha, Tatpaksha, Suhitpaksha, Srutichari, Munichari, Rishichari, and all kinds of Rishi, Munis, those who could not attend to Ramchandra and by the causeless mercy of Ramchandra, they also got this body. Which body? Gopi Sari. And took bath in Braj, in the womb of Braj Gopi. Eh? So all kinds of gopis, they also assemble. Krishna performs sweet Leela in Vrindavan. Eh? But Rupa Goswami Pad explains Raj Govardhan is higher than Vrindavan. And all you are thinking, I will go to Vrindavan. But Shastra is saying, you go in here. Giriraj Govardhan. Topmost place, Giriraj Govardhan. Because Krishna performed all kinds of sweet Leela on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. How beautiful place is there also. Giriraj Govardhan. Dasa, Sakha, Vatsal and Madhurja, all Leela manifest on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. Sakhas, they also playing with Krishna and the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. If you go Giriraj Govardhan, you can see there is one kind of stone that is called Bhajan Sila. What is called? Understand? Bhajan Sila means one the stone Krishna played. Sakhas they played, then making very nice, beautiful sound. And have you seen this bhajan? That stone or not? You did not see. Very nice, beautiful, the big. Which sound is coming? Still also in there. And there are also many things also. That is called, what is called? Mukut Sila. Have you seen or not? And when you do Giriraj Parikrama, then right side, you can see one the stone and Srimati Radhika's crown is there also. And very nice. Look at this. Sugandha Silai and Giriraj Govardhan manifested one kind of stone. Just to put water and rub your hand, then all the kumkum color automatically come. Have you seen or not? What do you see? Nothing. Everything you are looking, okay. In your heart, your mind, you look, you see, no problem. Very nice, beautiful. Still also there. Nearby Modi Bhavan, and where first time Gurudev also did Annakud Mahamotsav with the Western devotees, that he also plays it. Very nice, beautiful. And that, and Kumkum coming, and gopis also to decorate, and Krishna and with there's the Kumkum also. Very nice, beautiful. That is called Sugandha Silai. And Raj Govardhan manifested. These types of stone. Many kinds of fruits, flowers, Giriraj Govardhan is giving. And understand, winter time, Giriraj Govardhan giving the little bit hot water. And now need hot water or not? You taking bath, which water? Hot water. Not cold water. The Giriraj Govardhan giving also this. Then the waterfall coming. Understand? You cannot believe at the time of Krishna's Prakat Leela, how Giriraj Govardhan or high. When he is staying in America, what place? America, no? Nearby there is a big mountain and footland and big mountain and water falling down. So at the time of Krishna, and that time Giriraj Govardhan and 9, what is called? 9 miles, no? No, 9 plus about 13 or 14 kilometers. Giriraj Govardhan high. And from the high there the Giriraj is water falling down. And you try to understand. So Giriraj Govardhan this and summertime Giriraj Govardhan give the little bit cool water. And giving shade also, especially in summertime, and Braj very hot, and Giriraj Govardhan giving the shade also. shadow coming. And the lap of Giriraj Govardhan, Krishna and his friend Subal Sridham, they also taking rest and playing this Sakkabhavi there. Satang Ittang Satang Brahma Sukhanu Vittam Dasangatanang Paradaivateno Maya Sitanang Naradaro Ken Sardang Vijayukita Punna Punja. Sukadeva Goswami passed told how Subal Sridham, Sakhas, Brajavasis, Gopis are their great fortune. Mahasa Bhagavan. So saying Satang Ittang Satang Brahma Sukhanuvittam Dasangatanang Paradaivateno Maya Sitanang Naradaro Keno Sardang Vijayu Kritapunna Punja. This sloka is very important. So now coming in the Giriraj Govardhan, he also creates the many kinds of cave. On the cave of Giriraj Govardhan, then gopis, they have to perform sweet and must. So for the Nijapati Bhuja Danda Chatram Bhavam Pratvam Pratirada Madhishto Danda Devendra Garu. This saying. Giriraj Govardhan is. And Indra, he tried to disturb to Brajavasi. For this regard, Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan 7 days and 7 nights. And especially Srimati Radhika and Gopis, that time they were very close to Krishna. Understand? Srimati Radhika, she is staying in where? Very close to Krishna. Understand this way? Other times she cannot come very close to Krishna. Now emergency period. Understand? Very close to Krishna. This Radha. Radha Krishna's Milan, very sweet also this. So saying this. Nijapati Bhuja Dandas Chatra Bhavam Pradvam. This was. And Pramado Madana Lila Kandare Kandarate Rasisu Mandam Iti Kila Kalanata Lakna Kasto Dayorume Nijan Nikata Nivasanam Dehi Govardhanata. Raghunath Das Goswami. Pramado Madana Lila. Madan Lila. Very sweet, amorous pastime. Krishna performed in the cave of Giriraj Govardhan with the gopis. So Sakka Lila, Vatsa Lila, and Madhurja Lila, everything is on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan is there. And not only Giriraj Govardhan, and is giving many kinds of flowers, fruits, kandamulam, and Kandamuli. Kandamuli, one kinds of roots. They are eating. This. Have you seen Kandamul or not? Ramchandra, Bhagavan Ramchandra, he also ate Kandamul. If you go Ayodhya, they also selling that Kandamul. Very big roots is there. It's a nice taste. Kandamula. You chant holy names, Namacharya. What do you say? Kandamula. Very nice. On the top of Giriraj Govardhan, and very nice, beautiful place, Krishna performed Ras dance with the gopis also is there. Rasa Leela is there. And many kunjas is there, flowers is there. Just I also explained the Giriraj Govardhan. So Giriraj Govardhan is higher than Vrindavan. And especially Krishna performed Basantik Ras Leela. The main thing is there. And which Leela? Basantik. That is called spring season Ras Leela. And that Leela only Sapaksha, Vipaksha gopis, they assembled. That Ras Leela. That is called Basantik Ras Leela. Chandra Sarovar is there also. If you go Brahmandala Parikrama, on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan, you can see a very nice, beautiful that place. That is called Chandra Sarovar. What is it? Chandra Sarovar is there also. Very nice. That means moon also completely stopped. And moon completely forgot his movement. Understand this? So what this is called? Chandra Sarovar. Very nice. Topmost area. And Jayadev Goswami Pad, he also composed this Rasala. Actually, this is called Basantik Rasalila. Jayadev Goswami topmost Grantha, that is called Gita Govindam. And so now coming in the Narayan Sarovar, and many Kathas is there also. And very nice, beautiful place is there. But again, Rupa Goswami Pad explained, and Radha Kunda is higher than Viraj Govardhan. Why? Because Krishna performed his topmost Armas Leela on the bank of Radha Kunda. That is called Maharashtra. What is called? Maharashtra. Understand? Hey Maharaj, hey Maharaj, they say. Very nice, beautiful. And in only that place, Radhakunda, who can go Radhakunda? Only Sapaksha Gopi, those who are 1.2 Srimati Radhika. Radha Paksha Gopi, they can go. And otherwise, Jogmaya shall not allow to go to Radhakunda. Big, what is called? What is called? Obstacle, buried, barrier, understand? Very strong. Jatila Kutila, they can come also Surya Kunda or what is called lap of Giriraj Govardhan. But Jatila Kutila or any, they cannot go Radha Kunda. Not every gopis cannot go also this. And Chandravali and her party cannot go also. Only Sapaksha gopis. And how is beautiful Radha Kunda is there also. 8 corners of Radha Kunda. 8 prominent Sakhis, Lalita Visakha is there. Kunja is there. Lalita Ananda Kunja. And Lalita Devi Kunja name is called Lalita Ananda, Visakha Ananda Kunja, Indureka, Sudevi, all the Kunja is there. And that the Kunja is different colors also. How will you know? This is Lalita Devi's Kunja, Lalita Ananda Kunja. This is Visakha Ananda, they are different. The sign is there also. And if you see a little bit far, just one blue lotus blossom. Understand? See that. Some kunjas also just they call yellow lotus bloom, white lotus bloom. This is the sign. Which Sakhis, which kunja is there. Inside the kunja, and Jogmayasi arranged very nice. You cannot imagine what kinds of the kunja is there also. Little bit I also explain what is my book. What is it called? Sapta Sindhu Gunavati Radha. Little bit I also explain this way. And Manjari is how they are servicing this way. And in the middle of the Radha Kunda, that is called Sananda Sukhada Kunja. That is called Anang Manjari's Kunja is there. And that is called Sananda Sukhada Kunja is there. And that time Jogmayasi arranged very nice, beautiful bridge. The bridge also built with the flowers. And that is called Puspa Toran. What do you call? Puspa Toran. Puspa means flowers. Toran means that the bridge. And is going this. And very nice, beautiful place. When they coming in that in the middle of Radha Kunda, then again, that time that bridge automatically disappear. And they are doing this. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely glorified about Radha Kunda. Chintamani Mai Radha Kunda Tahi Kunja Sata Sata Prabalo Vidruma Mayatoru Lotam Mukta Phale Abhanata Mukta Phale Abhanata mukta phale abonato, tahe kunja sata sata. Eh? Who is best singer? Who can sing? Eh? Sing. Maybe tomorrow. Understand? I want to listen, but today's time is over, no? And because if I too late, then late everything. Understand? So Radha Kunda is there. And understand? Very nice, beautiful that description of Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda. And Chintamani Moy Radha Kunda. Tai Kunja Sata Sata. Not only the 8 kunjas, millions kunja Jugmansi also. They are saying this. And Chintamani Moy Radha Kunda. Tai Kunja Sata Sata. Prabhala Vidruma Maya Turulata. Mukta Phale Avanita. And this is the thing. Very nice, beautiful. And nice Leela is going on. And Krishna played the flute. Look at this. That time all the Sakhis, they also arrived in there. And they are very nice, beautiful. Rasasthali also is there. And understand? But Jogmaya expanded. And big place is there. Now we are looking small Radha Kunda there. But that during the time of Krishna Prakat Leela, you can imagine how is beautiful this Radha Kunda. Huh? So Mukta Phale. And Radhe Radhe Boli Murali Dakive Modiya Isari Naam. Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Kamal Manjari completely absorbed in his transcendental constitution form. Radhe Radhe Boli Murali Dakive Modiya Isari Naam. Chamaki Uthive Dasi Kemone Rakhive Panu. Krishna and calling to Srimati Radhika with his flutes. What he says? What is saying? Radhe Radhe. Not calling Manjari Manjari. No need to Manjari. Krishna did not call to the Manjaris. Calling to whom? Here saying. So saying Radhe Radhe Boli Murali Dakive Modiya Isari Namo. Chamu Suniya Chamuki Uthive Dasi Kemone Rakhive Pran. So maybe a question, why Krishna did not call the name of the Rupa Manjari, Manjari? Why not calling to it? Okay, no need. When Krishna, he calls Srimati Radhika, automatically Manjaris, they are following. Jata Raja Chhatra Dando Bahaka. Jata Raja Chhatra Dando Bahaka. As like kings, who is carrying the umbrella carrier. Understand? So in the same way, and when Krishna is calling to Srimati Radhika, Radhe, automatically Manjaris, they also, there is no need to call. Krishna, he knows this thing. Manjari means that one point Srimati. Here is Radha, there is the Sakhi also. Manjari means this way. And Radha, always they staying very close to Srimati Radhika. Jatha Chayavat. Chaya, understand? As your body and your shadow. You are, when you are walking, your shadow also following to you. Understand? So Manjari means you are this way. So Krishna, he knows, no need to call the Manjari, they will come automatically. So saying Radhe Radhe Bari Murali. Not the Bhaktivinoda Thakur also so deep also analyzed, because Bhaktivinoda Thakur completely absorbed in the mold of Kamal Manjari. Understand? That the song is Nirjana Kutire Bosya. And one Manjari, one Sakhi. She is meditating this Leela, Ashtakali Leela. In the meantime, one Sakhi came, hey, what are you doing here? This is not the place of meditation. है ना, ध्यान के जगह नहीं है. Jogir ध्यान ना पाए here. Even yogis, they according to their and meditation, they cannot attend it. And give up your meditation. And Sakshat Darsana Madhanna Lila. And it come out from this your kunja. And say how Radha Krishna they are meeting this sweet Lila. And then you can see Pratakka Darshan. Meditation means that close your eyes and they darshan. And that is called yogis. Eh? So for this regard, when Krishna gave nice instruction to the gopis, hey gopis, why you are crying for me, are feeling separation? Look, yogis, they are not feeling any separation. Because yogis, they meditate. And so you also become yogi. Then gopis, they become very angry. They recited these words, what is it called? Aushate nalina nabha padarvindam Jogeshwari Hridi Vichinta Agada Bodhi Sansara Kupa Poditottarana Avalambanam Geham Yusamapi Monosudyat Sadanaha. Gopi, they become very angry. Because they have experience. Why you saying you meditate? Understand? Then, in this sadhak, we are also meditate or not? And chant your mantra meditation. Mantra then. Understand this? And samadhi. Samadhi dasa. Samadhi. But there is what in direct you can take darshan. For this is a Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying. Yes, okay, this is not the place of meditation. Sakshat Madhanna Darshan. Jugala Milan. How Radha and Krishna they are performing sweet. Come out. Jagir dhyan napai ekhane. Give up your meditation and come. Very nice video this katha. Just a little bit glimpse to you. Read this Grantha. They will understand. And especially Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this song, you can read. Very nice video. Nijjana Kutire and Basir, this code. And maybe your this songbook. Answer this. How is beautiful this way. So now coming in this way. And Radha Kunda, topmost place. So now in this Kurukshetra, and so Gopis, Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Govinda, hey Krishna, please come in Vrindavan. Priyo Soyam Krishna Sahachari Kurukshetra Merita. Come in there. I will come. Vrindavan. Vrindavan, your topmost place. Here Vrindavan means Brihat Vrindavan. Two kinds of Vrindavan. One is called Panchakroshi Vrindavan and it is called Brihat Vrindavan. Panchakroshi Vrindavan, we are doing parikrama. That is called Panchakroshi Vrindavan. 5 Kroshi Vrindavan. Or the Brihat Vrindavan. That is called Radha Kunda, Nandagaon, Parsana. All these called Brihat Vrindavan. So come in where? Brihat Vrindavan Parikrama, Prajamandala Parikrama. Very nice, beautiful these places. Then you realize this. So I am saying because when Srimati Radhika she met with Krishna in Kurukshetra, she told, I am not happy here. Please come Vrindavan. Who is Vrindavan? Brihat Vrindavan. And especially Gopiji is there. And Giriraj, Govardhan, Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda. And beautiful place is there. And especially Srimati Radhika, she also used some teaching words, taunting words. And that was so much painful in the heart of Krishna also. Externally look like sweet, but very teaching words. Teaching words, they are saying in the same way. Srimati Radhika, she is saying, Nagani apana duk देखी ब्रजेश्वरीर मुख ब्रजजने हृदय बिदरे किबा मारो ब्रजवासी किबा जियाओ ब्रजे आसी केनो जियो दुख सही बारे. And Srimati Radhika, she told this katha also. We are not count of our unhappiness, distress. But when you look in the face of Mother Jasoda, that time our heart completely melted and tears rolling down. So how possible to forget your mother, Mother Jasoda? Look, in this material world, no one can forget his mother. You can forget to everybody, but you can't to forget your mother. Understand? Look this. So Srimati Radhika, she is saying, Hey Krishna, how possible to forget your mother Jasoda? Our mother Jasoda, she is crying day and night, she is crying for you. Now, Braj completely what? And what is called Sunnam, empty. And Koyelo na bolo to mayuro na nachato. Understand? When you are in Vrindavan, everybody's heart overjoyed. And now we leave Vrindavan, cuckoo birds are not singing. Peacock peahen, they are not dancing. Koy na bolo to mayuro na nachato. Look this. Even the black bees, honey bees, they are not humming, nothing. The birds are not chirping, nothing. Now Braj completely full of sorrow, dukkha samudra. This is the symptom of love also. And love is two things, meeting and separation. When Krishna was staying in Vrindavan, how is beautiful Vrindavan, this thing. Or when Krishna left Vrindavan, then everything is dry. Everybody is crying. What is everything? Crying for Krishna. So, Srimati Radhika, she is saying this. Nagani apano duk dekhi brajeshwarir mukh brajajane hidaya vidare kiba maro brajavasi kiba jiyao braje asi keno jiyao dukkha sahi bari. Why we are living in this body? Understand? We are suffering only this. We want to give up this body, but not possible. Why? Because our one hope and asahi paramam sukham or asahi paramam dukham. You understand? No. What is it called?
Hope is the greatest happiness and hope is the greatest.
Nice, good. You understand? Asahi paramam sukham or asahi paramam dukham. Both also. Asa hope. One day Krishna he will return back. For this regard, and we are keeping our life here in this body. But Dasarath Maharaj, he did not realize this thing. When Ramachandra exiled in the forest, that time Dasarath Maharaj, he left his body. Haram. Left his body. But Dasarath Maharaj is not thinking. After 14th years, Ramachandra, he will return back from his exile. And he will see Dasarath Maharaj is not there. Ramachandra will be happy or not? No. But Dasarath Maharaj is not thinking this. But Brajavasis, they are thinking. When Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, Krishna told to the Brajavasis, especially Srimati Radhika and Gopis, Parasya asyame iti dauttakam. Remember this word. What is it called? Parasya asyame iti dauttakam. Today, Gopis, listen, don't cry for me. Today I am going to Mathura. And tomorrow I will kill Kamsa. Then day after tomorrow, I will return back. This thing. So Krishna, he will come back. This is the very important word in front of the gopis and Brajavasis. Krishna will come back. Eh? So for this regard, Krishna's pleasure, they also suffering all kinds of distress. And look, bhakti is the two things always. Krishnarthe akhil chesta parayan or Krishnarthe akhil bhogatyag. Bhakti is these two things. If you are practicing bhakti or not, these are the symptoms here. Then all your endeavor is social pleasure for Krishna. Krishna Sughetu Gopi sab kare vyavahar. Gopis all their activities for the exclusively pleasure for Krishna. Krishna will be happy. How Krishna will be happy? They are dressing very nice, beautiful cloth and putting nice and what is called many kinds of ornaments. Why? Krishna's pleasure. Krishna will be happy. But we have no own pleasure. In this material world, we are putting many kinds of ornaments for his world, for own pleasure. Understand? And showing our dress, look, how am I? This is true. But same way, gopis, they also dress for the Krishna pleasure. If Krishna will say how gopis are beautiful, then Krishna will be happy or not? So for this regard, gopis, they also dress very nice, beautiful cloth, beautiful ornaments, and decorate their hair with the flowers. Understand? Vividha kusuma dambi vividha kusuma bindi dammila dadi vigurta madhugonno keki pichi pasaste madhurupa bimbo digunno tammula rago spurta amaloko palang radhika archayam. Rupa Goswami Padek. How is beautiful this. Vividha kusuma bindi dammila dadi vigurta madhugonno keki pinchi pasaste madhurupa bimbo digunno tammula rago spurta amaloko palang radhika archayam. How is beautiful the poem. Nice explanation. Sometimes speaking. Many slokas is there. How Radha Gopis also, they also decorate very nice, beautiful decoration. Why? Only for the exclusive pleasure for Krishna. Krishna Sugh Hetu for this saying. Krishna Sugh Hetu Gopis sab kare loka vyavahar. Not their own pleasure. They are eating. Why they are eating? Krishna's pleasure. They are also sleeping. Krishna's pleasure. And we are completely opposite to it. So this way. So we have to observe in the mood of the gopis. Gopi bhav. So now coming in this way. But so Srimati Radhika said, please come in Vrindavan. And Brajabhumi chadite nari tomana dekile mare Brajajane ki hobe upay. Tumi Brajir Jivan, Brajarajir Pranadan. You are the life of Braj. And you are the life heir of Nanda Maharaj, Nanda and Jashoda. And you are the wealth, everything of Braj. Kripadra tomar mon, asi jiyao, Brajajan, Braje udoy korao nijapad. Please come in Vrindavan. And Mahaprabhu saying same sentiments, Bab. আমার যদি করাও উদয় তবে তোমার পূর্ণ হয় অনের মন মন মোর বন বৃন্দাবন মনে মনে বনে এক করি জানি তাহাতে তোমার পদদ্বয় করাও যদি উদয় তবে তোমার পূর্ণ কৃপা মানি। Then Mahaprabhu absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika and saying this. অনের মন মন মোর বন বৃন্দাবন. In this matter, others' mind is called so-called mind. Understand? Our mind is always flickering, restless. Body is here. Our mind going in here and there. And without ticket, without passport, or without visa, mind is also traveling. Sometimes thinking good, or sometimes thinking bad. And manaiva bandhanam karanam, manaiva muktaiva karanam. Mind is the cause of the bondage, or mind is the cause of liberation. This is the thing. Well, so saying, Oner mon mon, more mon Vrindavan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, mind is full of Vrindavan. Well, so Oner mon mon, more mon Vrindavan, mone bone ek kori jani. So his mind is non-different from Vrindavan. Well, mone bone ek kori. Tahate tumhara padaddoy karao jodi udoy. Then please, hey Krishna, manifest your lotus feet in my Hriday Vrindavan. Understand? This thing was. Actually, Ratha Yatra means this way also. Then have to manifest Krishna lotus feet in your Hriday Vrindavan. And this thing. Remember, your heart should be Hriday Vrindavan. And this thing. So, Tati tumhara padaddoy karao jodi udoy, tabe tumhara purna kripa man. This is your mercy, please, Krishna, come in Vrindavan. Eh? Very nice, beautiful. Eh? So, Kripadra tomar mon, asi jiyao braje jan, braje udoy karao nija pad. Suniya radhar, suniya radhika bani, braja prem mone jani, bhabe vyakulita deha mon, braja lokir prem suni, apuna ke rini mani, Hare Krishna tari asadan. When Krishna heard this katha, Braj katha, and how Brajavasis, they have love and affection with Krishna. Then Krishna heart completely melted and tears flowing to him. Krishna could not survive himself, and in crying and crying. And Krishna is thinking, Krishna completely repented, and understand? And why I left Vrindavan? Why I am staying in and out of Vrindavan? Vrindavanam mama jivanam. Vrindavanam mama hridayam. And Vrindavan is my life. Vrindavan is my heart. So, why you live in Vrindavan? Why I am staying here? And Krishna is thinking this. And so saying this, Suniya Radhar Bani, Braja Prem Mone Jani, Bhave Vyakulita Dehaman, Braja Loker Prem Suni, Apuna Ke Rini Mani. Then Krishna specified to the Gopi Srimati Radhika. And hey Radhe, what will say to you? I have no words to tell you. I completely indebted all your love and affection. No paryang nirvaddang sanjung sasadu kritta vibuddha usapiva jama durjana griha sinkhala sangrischa pratijatu sadhuna. What is your sadhu vyavahar? Good way. All you and sacrifice everything for me. I cannot repay your debts. Even I will serve your lotus feet at the age of Brahma. And I cannot free from your debts. Really? So saying, no parang niruddham sadhu kritta vibuddha usapiva. Jama durjana sriya dama durjana griha sinkala. And just lady can't to give up their rules and regulations of the society. But here Gopiji, you gave up everything for me. And when Krishna played the flute, Gopiji gave up all their household duties. Look this. One Gopi is cooking and making chapati for her husband. And if you stay in your house, you cook for your husband or not? Gopi, they married or not? So-called married, okay. So, one Gopi is making chapati for her husband. And Brajavasi, how they are eating? Garam, understand? And making chapati, giving one chapati giving, and little bit of sabji, then another chapati is coming. Understand? Not all these are making all, then offer to Thakurji, then when they cook, then coming your paribation, everybody sit along, then all your sabji and everything is what? Cold. Everybody hungry. Brajavasi don't feel it. Understand? Garam, garam. What is it called? Garam, garam. Garam, garam, naram, naram. Very nice. Yeah. If you go garam, garam, no need also sabji. Very quick also eating. Very nice. And I remember when you were staying in Mathura, and our Pramananda is cooking and giving to everyone. And garam, garam, garam. Remember me. No need you sabji. Nice or not? Good or not? So one gopi is also rolling the chapati and giving, and then another giving. Husband is sitting. Husband giving. One chapati is coming, and the husband is waiting for another chapati. Chapati will come. And then that the Brahmin language, that chapati is called, what is his name? Fulka. Fulka, understand? Completely what? Pop. Understand? Gurudev likes these. It will be little bit, or this is called black pot, Gurudev not eat. Gurudev service that time is not easy. Everything is proper, perfect. And fulka, that is called. And yesterday he gave the full, that is not eatable. It is better I can eat the pop rice. I eat pop rice. That is not eatable. It's to be nonsense. He gave yesterday, then we remember. When Gurudev, he was taking the fulka, or what he gave me? Useless things. How to eat? Very nice katha is there. So one fulka is coming. Fulka, understand? Completely are popped. And Gopi and Brajavasi, they also putting some ghee also. Understand? They side put and they are, Brajavasi is not eating many kinds of preparation. Only one or two. Understand? We are taking many kinds of preparation. Preparation coming or not? But Brajavasi, maybe one, what is called, eggplants, and maybe 10 days. and put the ghee and also chili. They like. Understand? Or the lemons, pickle, lemon pickle. Understand? Nebu achar. What is it called? Nebu achar. And pickles. And taking on little bit, and that the sabji, very, and is hot, prices. You cannot. So now coming there, that the Brajavasi husband is eating. One chapati is coming. Another waiting for
The
next one. What is saying? Hey Gopi, where are you? And no sound coming. Then husband came in the kitchen room, that they full of the smoke. Where is the smoke? But that's the Gopi, when Krishna played the flute, and Gopi see also back door, he also ran away. And the chapati or fulka in her on the fire, and for the smoke coming. Understand? Brajavasi have to know the alarm, smoke alarm, fire alarm, nothing. Very nice, beautiful lila is there also. Vishana Chakravarti Vadi is coming to very nicely explain this way. Then husband says, maybe where she is gone? Oh my wife, Gopi, where are you? No sound coming. And completely her smoke. So saying this way, Nisamma Gitam Tadananga Brajastriyam Krishna. No, Nisamma Gitam Tadananga Vardhanam Brajastriyo Krishna This sloka is there. When Krishna played the flute, Gopi they ran. So this is going on this. Why I am saying the Krishna, all these leelas is remembering. How gopis, they ran away from their house. So this. No parang nivan sasadu kridva jama durjana griha srinkala sangvrishya pratijatu sadhuna. In our Shastra, there are many chasteries there also. Their glorification also. Uma, Rama, Sakta, Sati, Chandra, Rukmini, all their chaste ladies' name is there. List, big list. Understand? Lakshmi Devi, she is called the best chaste lady. And Uma, Parvati, the wife of Shivji, Brahmani, Shivani. Look, their name is also there. But in this matter, topmost chaste lady, what is her name? Anusua. What is her name? Anusua. The wife of Atri Muni. This katha is Atri, Anusua katha is there. And if you go, what is it called? Ajodhya Parikrama. And that time also one very nice, beautiful place where Ramchandra, and in his exile staying in that the place. That is called, what is his name? Many times also we are going to that place. And Atri, Anuswa, and ashram is there also. Very nice, beautiful place is there. And there is one mountain, there is a Kamadgiri mountain, as like Giriraj Govardhan. That mountain, his name is called Kamadgiri. They are doing purpose. And people also doing parikrama. Very nice, beautiful place. And you can see, and in the, what is that, Ganga, what is called, they also found in there. And one mountain, one stone hanging on the top of the mountain. Hanging well. Now science cannot, how possible that the stone also hanging, not falling down. And do parikrama inside also. And what is the Ganga, water is there also. Until your knee. You can do parikrama in there. A nice, beautiful place is there. Have you been or not? No. Very nice, beautiful place. You come that way. And with Gurudev, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Couple times we also went in there also. Very nice, beautiful place is there. Also, there are places called Atri Anuswa place is that called. Atri Rishi. And his wife, she is the topmost chaste lady. Once in Narad Rishi, he came in Vaikuntha, Shiva Loka, and also Sattva Loka, Brahmaji, and glorified Anuswa's chastity. And that time Brahmani, Shivani, and Lakshmi, they become very angry. Ladies cannot listen the glories of another ladies. Very big problem. Understand? This is true. If you glorify another lady, then your wife will become very angry. Then will check your phone. You understand? Check your phone. when you leave your phone, then husband check. But wife will be also check husband phone. Why glorifying the other lady? Maybe something happened. This is true or wrong? Are you yes? Sometimes laughing, joking. This is true also. Here she is. When Nardasi glorified Anuswar and chastity, that time Lakshmi Devi and Shivani, Devi Parvati, and Brahmani, the wife of Brahma. They become very angry. And that time they told, and anyhow you have to and destroy the chastity of Anuswa. And understand? Then Brahmaji told, okay, I will try. And Shivji told, I will try. Or another? Huh? Vishnu told, okay, I will try. So now that Brahmaji, Shivji and Lord Vishnu manifest in the form of nice brahmachari. Understand? They come. And that time Atri Rishi was not in his ashram. Atri Rishi went someplace to meditation. And if you go there, they're very nice, beautiful place also. And then coming, 3 brahmachari has come. And very nice, beautiful brahmachari, Jadajut and dreadlocks, and holding the kamandul. And understand? Brahmachari found this. And saying, Bhikchang Dehi, Bhikchang Dehi, give me some alms. Nice brahmachari. Coming, 3 brahmacharis. And so much effulgence coming from their body. Because Brahmaji, Shivji and Vishnu. 3 brahmachari manifest the brahmachari or not? Very nice, beautiful. Bhikchang Dehi, Bhikchang Dehi. And then Anuswa, she brought some fruits. Because this is the duty of householder. Have to give some alms to the brahmachari. But 3 brahmachari, no, we will not take this way. But what is that? You not take? Or you are asking, Bhikchang Dehi, Bhikchang Dehi. So take this. But 3 brahmachari, no, we will not take this way. But what is that? Without cloth, you will give this alms. Then Anuswa's mind very disturbed. Huh? What you are speaking? Look like brahmachari, very nice. But what are we saying? You understand? That time, okay, wait. You are brahmachari. I know you are not ordinary brahmachari. And you are not stupid nonsense. Rascal. I understood. Understand? And Anuswa, she is not also ordinary lady. Understand? Okay, wait. And then Anuswa, she came at the back door and met with her husband, Atri Rishi, and told everything. 3 brahmachari has come in my house, so much effulgence coming from their body. And they also use this word, give me alms this way. Then Atri Rishi, he meditated. He realized, oh, this brahmachari is not ordinary brahmachari. They come to take test. My wife sees chaste lady or not. You understand? Then Atri Rishi told, okay, don't worry. You go. What they want, you can also do this. Atri Rishi again, Anuswa again returned back. Hey, brahmachari, sit down here. I will give you. Then took some water in her hand. And Anuswa, she took some water in her hand and throw to the 3 brahmacharis. Become small baby. Then Brahmaji, Shivji and Vishnu become very small baby. As like 2 months, small baby. Then brahmachari, what happened? Become small baby. And saying this. They came to test the chastity of Anuswa. And now they become small baby. And staying there. Then in this way, few days passed. Then Narad Rishi came again, Vaikuntha and Sivalok and Satyalok Brahmaji. They asked, hey, where is our husband? That time Naradishi told, and look, your husband went to break the what is it called? The chastity of Anuswa. Now Anuswa with her chastity, she also transfer your husband as like small newborn baby. Hey my God, what you do now? How return back our husband? Huh? Then they asked to Naradishi, hey Naradishi, to tell to us, how return back our husband? Without our husband, how possible live? Then Naradishi told only one point. Listen. Now we'll go to the ashram of Attri and Anuswa, and ask your forgiveness. Well, how to do now? Well, you also now, all you now, this is the form of Brahmacharini. Understand? Understand? This. Now, and Brahmani, Shivani, and Lakshmi, Brahmacharini, and coming. Vikchang Dehi. That time Anuswa also bring some, and what is called flowers, fruits. Okay, you are Brahmacharini, take this. But they told, no, we will not take this fruits. What do you want? This. That they are this small, baby. Understand? Okay, wait. In the same time, Atri Rishi, he came in his house. Then Atri Rishi asked to Anuswa, hey Anuswa, who are these Brahmacharini? That time Anuswa, she told, and this Brahmacharini, your daughter-in-law. Understand? Daughter-in-law, understand? Your Putra Vadhu. What do you call? Putra Vadhu. And my son is very small. And 3 months, baby son. Are their husband? Their wife, how many? Very older. Upper. That time, Anuswa, she told, according to my chastity, I also did these things. Now then Brahmaji, Shivji, and Vishnu. Now with a small baby. Look this. And so Anuswa with her chastity, she also did these things. Then Attri she become very pleased. Okay. And again we return back. Then again Anuswa, she took water and with her chastity transformed the body of Brahma, Shivji, and Vishnu, and return back to them. This katha is also very. So this is called. So this is called the Anuswa, also a chaste lady. But this chaste lady, all the chaste lady, all they glorified the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Understand this? Ananta Koti Vishnu Loko Namra Padma Jar Chite Himadrija Pulo Maja Birinchaja Baraprade Apara Riddhi Siddhi Sat Padanguli Noke Kada Kari Sasiyamang Kripa Kataksha Bhajan. Srimati Radhika is the topmost chest. Because all these chest ladies, Brahmani, Shivani, Lakshmi, all the order, glorify the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Not only this verse is Radha Kripa, Ananta Koti Vishnu Loka. Not only one Vishnu, innumerable Vishnu Lokas. And they are coming in front of Srimati Radhika, taking one ghee lamp and doing arati, that toenails of Srimati Radhika. Ananta Koti Vishnu Loka Namra Padma Jarchite Himadrija Pulo Maja Birinchaja Baraprade Apar Riddhi Siddhi Dikdi Sat Padanguli Nake Kada Kari Sachiyamang Kripa Kataksha. And Brahmani, Shivani, all they are getting, everything is benediction from Srimati Radhika. And so Radha Kripa Kataksha. Manindra Venda Bandite Tilakaso Kaharini Prasanna Bhaktra Pankaji Nikunja Bhubilasini Brajendra Bhanu Nandini Brajendra Sunu Sangate kada kari sasiyamang kripa katakcha bhajanam. Radha kripa katakcha. Eh? Look, how is very powerful this. If you receive the sidelong glance of Srimati Radhika, then all your material desires will disappear from your heart. Just Radha Kripa Kadaksha. Understand? This is very. And Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Jai Jai Sri Radha. Oh, already almost 9 o'clock. Okay. So you'll be prepared to leave this place. And Prahareno Dhananjaya. You understand this word? Or is saying your festival finished. Now you have to go your own destination. Or if you not go, then what is saying? Prahareno Dhananjaya. You know this story or not? Okay. Very nice katha. So now we are festival, very nice festival here. 5 days we are with you. And nice servicing. Radha Dasi, she servicing, I am watching. And cooking, or is called marketing, doing this thing. And all devotees also cooking, servicing, dancing, singing, kirtan. All we are doing this. Thank you for your kindness. Guru and Chaitanya, Guru Gauranga Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, He bless you. And you manifest Shuddha Bhakti in your heart. Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Then evening program is there. Kurichiba. Who is going Kurichiba? Raise hand. Okay. Some not going. Or some is staying here. Okay, no problem. Mind come. No problem. Some come physically or some come with mind. Golu Vrindavan Vihari Lal. And take Mahaprasad. Then Prahareno. Gaur Premanandi. Take Ma. Jai Jai Sri Ram.
Jai.
Nice.
A van vai chegar 9h30.